Will AI replace creatives? Artificial intelligence has come a long way in recent years, and it's time to explore its potential impact on the world of art and creativity. Remember, when digital photography was developed, Kodak didn't embrace the technology, saying that it would never replace film. That perspective almost destroyed them, filing for bankruptcy and laying off thousands of employees. Luckily for them, they recovered somewhat. If companies today don't embrace AI technology, it could be their demise as well. Hey everybody, I'm Mike from Regala Photography, where we talk about everything photography. As we know, AI has revolutionized numerous industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. In recent times, it has also been making its way into the creative fields like music, visual arts, and even storytelling. AI generated artwork, music compositions, and AI written stories have garnered significant attention. The entertainment industry is currently on strike at the time of this video. They not only want pay increases like most strikes usually want, but they also have their contracts rewritten to include that they won't be replaced by AI. Adobe employees are now worried that the very AI features they created could replace their customers or even themselves. So the question arises, can AI ever truly replace the creative human mind? AI is undoubtedly very impressive. It can analyze vast data sets, learn patterns, and produce innovative content. For instance, AI algorithms can generate realistic paintings and compose music that captivates the senses. AI is being used in human looking robots to make them almost lifelike. As a matter of fact, AI created the backdrop for this very video. See right here. Here is what my studio actually looks like. The potential for efficiency and productivity is undeniable. But does this mean creatives will become obsolete? Many experts argue that AI can be a powerful tool to augment and enhance human creativity. By leveraging AI tools, artists can access new techniques, experiment with unique styles, and push the boundaries of their own creativity. It's like having an AI powered assistant helping creatives overcome creative blocks and explore new horizons. Instead of replacing creatives, AI might foster a new era of collaboration. Imagine artists and AI algorithms working together, combining human emotion and intuition with AI's data driven insights. This synergy could result in groundbreaking masterpieces that neither humans nor AI could achieve alone. However, it's essential to acknowledge that art is deeply rooted in human emotion and experiences. Can AI truly replicate the emotions behind a brushstroke or a melody? The authenticity and soulfulness that artists infuse into their work are very difficult to replicate artificially. But who knows what will happen as people keep dumping more and more of themselves into these AI tools such as ChatGPT or Adobe Firefly. Who knows what it could eventually create? AI should be seen as a creative tool rather than a replacement. As with any technological advancement, there will be challenges and concerns. For instance, some worry about AI produced art devaluing human created work or the potential loss of artistic diversity. As a society, we must be mindful of these implications. AI work and products should be clearly labeled as created by or with AI. Art, in its true essence, is an expression of the human experience. The imperfections, emotions, and uniqueness of human creativity add value that cannot be quantified by AI. Creatives should embrace AI as a tool to amplify their abilities, not a threat to their existence. In conclusion, the relationship between AI and creativity is very complex and multifaceted. While AI continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, it can never really replace the core of what makes art and creativity so special: the human touch. Let's welcome AI as an ally, collaborating to unlock new creative frontiers while cherishing the irreplaceable essence of the human imagination. Well, that's it for today's discussion. I hope you enjoyed exploring this very intriguing topic with me, and I hope it opens up even more discussion about AI. Please leave a comment below to offer your thoughts about AI and how AI will be used in the creative industry. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you found this video insightful. Ring that bell if you want to be notified when my next video is posted. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody.